Today's topic is Top 8 Benefits of Eating Eggs. Packed with nutrients and eaten everywhere around the world, eggs should be ranked number 1 on any superfoods list. People have been eating eggs for centuries, and they have been a staple food for breakfast. You might have been discouraged from eating eggs because of cholesterol or other reasons, but eggs are scientifically proven to be beneficial to the human body. Let's see how with these 8 top benefits of eating eggs. Number 1. They do not affect blood cholesterol. Eggs do have a significantly high amount of cholesterol, with a single egg making up more than 2/3 of the daily requirement of cholesterol. However, eating eggs does not have a substantial effect on your health. Studies have shown that eating eggs regularly does not raise cholesterol. In fact, most of the cholesterol content in eggs is good HDL cholesterol, which is beneficial to the human body and heart. Number 2. Provide you with choline. You might not have heard about choline, but it is an essential nutrient. It is often grouped in the benefits of B vitamins and plays a major role in building cell membranes. Eating eggs is a great way to get the nutrient, as you can find more than 100 milligrams of choline in a single egg. Number 3. Reduce the risk of heart disease. Since eggs promote the production of HDL cholesterol, they simultaneously reduce the production of LDL cholesterol. LDL cholesterol is the bad type of cholesterol that causes heart problems. Thus, eating eggs can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Number 4. Promote eye health. Eyes get weaker with age, and it is often impossible to slow down or turn back the degenerative process. But eating eggs is one simple way of reducing the intensity of these degenerative processes. Eggs contain antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which promote retina health and protect your eyes. Number 5. Lower triglycerides in blood. Omega-3 eggs are not just a marketing stunt. They are a healthier option and are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for the body. The omega-3 fatty acids reduce the amount of triglycerides in your blood, promoting heart health. Number 6. Great protein and amino acids. Eggs are packed full of proteins. They are the building blocks of the human body. However, more importantly, eggs also offer all the essential amino acids which the body cannot produce by itself. This makes eggs essential for health. Number 7. Reduced risk of stroke. Eggs have often been demonized for leading to strokes. However, similar to the misconception with heart disease, the truth is actually far different. Eggs actually reduce the risk of strokes by helping reduce LDL cholesterol, keeping you healthy. Number 8. Help you lose weight. Eating proteins help you feel full, and eggs are packed with them. Because of this, eggs keep you fulfilled and help you snack less. You can reduce your caloric intake by eating eggs and lose weight.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.